Come like this. Okay, ready? Okay, come here. You gotta hold your bat like this. And like this. Okay, ready? Come here. Bat like this. Ready? Okay. Hold your bat like I showed you. Put your hand up here and your hand down here. Ready? Okay. You want to try it by yourself? Okay. Put your hand like this.